YouTube is not recommending my videos. YouTube is not recommending my videos. YouTube is not recommending my videos. That's what I hear a lot of people say. Like, YouTube is not recommending your videos. But do you know how YouTube recommends your videos? Do you know the criteria for YouTube to recommend your videos to viewers? Because the thing with YouTube is that they recommend videos to people. They recommend the videos people will like to them to keep them on their platform. So if your video is not optimized for search and YouTube does not think that people will like your videos, it will not recommend it to them. So even though you have a great video and all of that, you have not optimized it for search and for YouTube to also recommend it to its viewers. All right. And also that's your target audience. So today I'm going to explain to you how YouTube recommends their videos. And the first one is your thumbnail. Does your thumbnail stand out? And what this is that do people see your thumbnail and do they click on it? So when you create your thumbnail, look at it with your competitors. Okay, so you should have people you look up to on YouTube that already does the same thing as you. Does your thumbnail stand out as against their own? When I taught you how to create thumbnails, I told you that one way to create YouTube thumbnails that stand out is to look for a video that is similar to the one that you're making and try to copy or try to get inspiration from that thumbnail. So are your thumbnails attractive? Will people click on it? Because when YouTube offers your video to people, okay, and they see it, will they click on it? Because everybody that sees your video, for every time your thumbnail goes across someone's screen, YouTube counts it as an impression. And if they are not clicking on it, then YouTube is getting information that people are not liking your videos. Okay, so one way that that will make YouTube recommend your videos continually is if people click on your thumbnails. All right. So the second one is, are your titles clickable? How are you titling your videos? Okay. For every YouTuber, I want to believe that you have other YouTubers that you look up to, that you're trying to glean ideas from, that already do the same thing as you do. Okay, so are your titles clickable? What are you titling your video? Are you titling your video what I did this morning or what I'm going to do tomorrow? Or are you titling or is your title the secret to an amazing morning or the secret to a productive morning? You see that there's a difference between the two, what I do every morning and the secret to a productive morning. So which one would you click on? Would you click on what I do every morning, or would you click on the secret to a productive morning? Because everybody wants to have a productive day, right? So are your titles clickable? Okay, because when your titles are clickable, when people see it, all right, so your thumbnails may be nice, but what title is on it? What is on it? If your thumbnail is the most pretty and the title is what I do every morning, nobody will still click on it. So you have to make sure you are optimizing your titles to be clickable so that people can click on your videos and watch it all the time, because this affects your impression, okay? And this affects your click-through rate. How many people are clicking on those videos when it passes their screen, okay? So the third one is, what's your retention rate? How many people are staying on that video after they have clicked on it? So let's assume your thumbnail is great, your title is great. So the content of your video, how many people keep watching it after like 3 minutes? And that is why the first few minutes of your video is very important. So don't start your video and say, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is da-da-da-da-da. I hope you enjoyed my last video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for doing that, all of that. No, scratch that. Okay, let your videos go straight to the point. Let it be like a continuation from your thumbnail. So if your thumbnail says the secret to a productive morning, you go right in there and said, today I'm telling you 10 secrets to a productive morning. Okay, and make it interesting so that you can hold on to the attention of your subscribers and your viewers to at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, because this tells YouTube that they are enjoying your video, because if they click on it and they're out before 30 seconds, then YouTube will not show anybody again, because it's kind of sending people away from their platform. All right, so make sure that your videos, the intro of your video, the first 30 seconds, the first few minutes of your video is the most important part. So make sure it is packed with value all the way through, okay, so that it can hold people's attention and keep them on the platform. Another one is, do people like and engage with your videos? And that is why I created a video yesterday about why you shouldn't share your videos with your family members, okay? Because if people are just watching the videos and they're not liking it, they're not engaging with it, okay, people will not show it to them. YouTube will not show it to them again, because it's telling YouTube that they do not like it. All right. So you want to make sure that your people are engaged, and do your call to action. Tell people, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it, so that YouTube will tell YouTube that people like your video and they want to engage with it. Okay. And that's why I told you, don't send it to your friends. Your friends will probably just watch it for 2 seconds and then comment and like it. YouTube has a way of reading all of that. All right. Now, if none of this, if after you have done all of this, okay, you still don't have views, if you are sure that you have optimized, you've done everything, you've done all of this, and nothing has happened, now it's time to actually check your content. It is time to tweak some things. There is something that you're doing wrong. All right. So that is when you need to now check your content. Okay. Check your channel. What are you doing wrong? What is your content providing value? Okay. And you will be on your way to amazing recommendation and views on your video. All right, guys. If this video has been helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button. Okay. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next